Girls are always telling you what they want, but there are things she will never say out loud. If you do at least 3 of these, she will look at you completely differently. I'm about to tell you the most important ones. She's shy. She's afraid of looking weak or too demanding, but deep down, every girl dreams about exactly this. Ready? Let's go point by point. Point 1. Calm strength. She can be strong all day, at work, with friends, with family, but at night, she just wants to lay her head on your chest and hear, "It's okay, I'm here, I've got this." Not advice, not, "Come on, don't worry," just calm strength. Point 2, true appreciation. She hears, "You're beautiful," all the time, but "I'm proud of you. I love the way you think. You inspire me." That hits straight to the heart. She's embarrassed to ask for it because it feels like she's begging for compliments, but without it, she feels empty. Point 3, taking initiative. She's tired of always being the one who has to decide everything. She wants you to sometimes say, "Tonight, I'll take care of everything." Plan the date, choose the place, take responsibility. Not because she's weak, but because she wants to feel like a woman next to a man. Point 4, emotional openness. She wants to know what's going on inside your head. Not just, "I'm fine," and "everything's okay." When you say, "Today was rough, but it's easier with you," she melts. She's too shy to say, "Tell me how you're feeling," because she doesn't want to seem pushy. Point 5, small acts of care. Flowers, a text saying, "I was thinking about you," warm tea when she's cold, or just a tight hug for no reason. Not because it's a holiday, just because you thought about her. This tells her louder than words, "You matter to me every single day." Point 6, a man with character. She doesn't want a "yes dear" to everything. She wants a man with his own opinion, goals, and boundaries, who can say no softly but firmly. This gives her a feeling of security. Next to her is not a pushover, but a real man. She doesn't say these things out loud because she's afraid of being called too much. But if you give her this combination, strength, tenderness, initiative, and attention, she will hold on to you with both hands. The most important thing, do it sincerely, not as a technique, but because you truly care. Write in the comments which of these 6 things is the hardest for you, or "I'm already doing number 3" if you're already on it. Like the video if it was helpful. In the next video, we'll break down what guys really want, but also stay silent about. Thanks for watching to the end. See you soon.